Greetings, I'm Mr. K.
And I'm Mrs. K.
We're a couple hailing from the city of New York that loves to travel and explore.
We would like to invite you to join us as we experience new and exciting things in life.
Finished lunch, and now we're at the Vermeer Center. We're gonna go in and learn a little bit more about Vermeer. It's got some pretty dope art. Let's go inside. So this will be a relatively short video.
Vermeer Center isn't really big, and none of his original art is housed here.
But that doesn't mean that it's not worth visiting. The Vermeer Center is a place where you can come and learn more about Johannes Vermeer, and we're very glad we came. Delft is where he spent his whole life, so naturally they built this center for him in his hometown.
It was so insightful to learn all about his life, art, and process.
Vermeer didn't have a whole lot of work. Throughout his lifespan, he had only done about 50 paintings, and of the 50, only about 34 survived. He's really known for his lighting in his paintings, along with the paintings of everyday life.
His lighting is one of my favorite among other artists.
Well, that ends our little trip to Vermeer, the Vermeer Center.
If you like the video, please give us a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe. We release videos every Thursday. See you then.
We out.